Vendora. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this freaking awesome chair cover for this office chair. It's so ugly, so ugly. It's missing a bolt. Found a bolt and nut that fits, and then very comfy cushion on sale. My daughter helped hold the cushion to the seat part so I can mark where to cut to make it the exact shape of the seat. Then I cut on the line of where I marked. Then I placed the foam piece onto the fabric and I cut it out all the way around. So I laid the fabric on the back part of the seat and I cut a 1/2 foot around that back part of the seat. So on both pieces I folded the edge about a 2-inch edge all the way around, folded it and zigzag sewed it. I left an opening about 1.5 inches so I can insert the cord rope into this sewn part. And that's on both pieces. You insert the cord so it goes all the way around the edge of the fabric. Then all you have to do is insert the foam, chair foam, and also wrap it around the seat of the chair. Pull the cord tight so it doesn't move around on you, and then tie a little knot. I burned the edges of the rope for this rope because it kind of frays and stuff, but if you're using a rope that doesn't need that, then that's just an extra step. And then the back part of the seat is the same thing. You just wrap around this cover, pull the cord tight so it doesn't move around on you, and voila! You've got a new fabulous chair. I hope this gives you an idea of like how you can recover old ugly chairs, office chairs and stuff. Really simple, easy, and pretty affordable. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe.